Hey there. Are you looking for a great little statement piece for your living room and you do not want to break the bank? This piece is absolutely perfect, and it's great for a small space, apartment, small house. Keeps everything looking beautiful, and has these great little doors on both sides that slide open, and you can keep any belongings in there. You could keep dishes, you could keep blankets, you could keep any of the things that you don't want to have your living room looking all cluttered. You can just store it away on both sides, and so it's great for that. It is basically, it's a twofer. You can use it as a storage piece as well as a beautiful piece of furniture. This is in the darker sort of walnut stain. Super easy to put together, only takes about 15 minutes or so. I will just caution that when you do put it together, you need to make sure that the door pieces, the rounded wood pieces, they are slatted on the inside, so you need to make sure that they fit into the grooves when you put the top and bottom on, because otherwise you won't be able to open the doors up if they're not nicely fitted into those grooves. Other than that, super easy to put together. It comes flat in a box, so easy to ship. Yeah, can't say enough about it. Absolutely love this piece, and it is a great little statement piece for your nice mid-century modern design.